Hi, I'm Liz from Lewis, Delaware, and I run my own healing business. How important is being active? It is absolutely everything to me. My work life is a physical job. I'm passionate about what I do. I am a licensed massage therapist, and so for my job, I'm standing all day, and in addition to that, running, hyperbaric oxygen therapy, managing other employees. I didn't necessarily have an injury. My hips were in constant pain. I couldn't sleep. I was struggling, and I was in search of a doctor that could help me. I was recommended by another doctor that I go to the Rothman Institute. They said that both of my hips were bone on bone. They had a lot of arthritic spurs and that I would need hip replacements. I had my surgeries done by a Rothman surgeon at Atlanticare. The experience at Atlanticare was great. I didn't need to stay in the hospital overnight, but I did, and it was amazing. Because the surgery went so well, within 11 days, I was back at work. It changed my life dramatically. Having the surgery is just unbelievable to actually feel amazing. It was just an incredible experience. Rothman specializes in hip replacements, so I can specialize in running my healing practice.